Spend between 6 and 18 months volunteering in Germany for a non-profit project in a variety of fields including education, health, environment, culture, or human rights.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.
Why volunteer in Germany with the weltwärts program? Equitable intercultural exchange, strong pedagogical support, a program for everyone regardless of budget, wide variety of teams and places of assignment, publicly funded, a safe way to go abroad. So when you scroll down also, you can read the requirements for volunteering in Germany. You must be between 18 and 28 years of age. In exceptional cases, participant age 29 or over may be admitted. Also, you must have a school leaving qualification, a vocational qualification or equivalent work experience. You are a team player and open-minded. You are in good enough health to complete a volunteering assignment abroad. Your country of residence must appear on the DAC list of the OECD. You are enthusiastic about social engagement and development issues. So you can read everything here. Do you want to stay involved after your volunteer service? You can learn more. How can volunteers from Germany complete a volunteer service abroad? You can also learn more. To apply for this volunteering service, you come up here and you click on taking part. When you click on taking part, it leads here where you can see how to volunteer in Germany with weltwärts. If you would like to do voluntary service with weltwärts in Germany, you will need to apply via an organization in your home country. So please be aware that each sending organization has its own application process. So the organization that you will be applying through will determine the process that you will go through. So the sending organization will tell you what documents you need to submit with your application. The most important one is often your motivational letter, in which you explain why you want to do development volunteering service in Germany. The application deadlines are usually 1 year before the planned departure date, giving you ample time to prepare for your assignment. So depending on the sending organization, volunteers are either selected on a selection day or on the basis of their written application. Since it is familiar with the places of assignment, the host organization in Germany may also be involved in the selection process. So how to apply for the volunteering service here? The checklist. If you are looking to volunteer in Germany, these are the steps you will take. The first step is that application should be sent to the sending organization in your home country. If it's possible to apply to several different organizations, so you can apply to different organizations in your home country, and it is those organizations that will submit your application for you. The application and selection process can differ from organization to organization. Note that goes for the application deadlines too. The sending organizations will inform you whether your application was successful. So after the organization asks, if you applied through the organization, it's the organization that will tell you if your application has gone through, maybe it is successful or not. So applying to a participating organization. So when you come to this website, you can click everything you need to know here. And then if for you to find an organization in your country that can apply for you, you can click on this taking part also and click on finding weltwärts organizations. Then it will bring a list of countries. It will ask you to select your own country. Now let's say for the purpose of this video, let's say I select Nigeria as my home country. It will bring a list of organizations in Nigeria that I can submit my application through. So this is one, and this is their website, and this is their email address. These are host organizations in Germany through Nigeria. So I can submit my application through these ones if I am to submit from Nigeria. And if you're not in Nigeria also, you can click on any other country that you are in, and it will bring a list of other the organizations that you can submit your application through. So here are the ones for Germany, yes, for Ghana. So when you get on this website, when you come to taking part or again, you can click here and you see preparing seminars in Germany, everyday life in Germany, playing an active role in your home country. and then the experiences the program, just click on this the link in the description section and read everything you need to know about this volunteering in Germany. Give it a try, and I wish you good luck.
For more information, or if you need help in applying for your study or work permit, send us an email at teamalexconnect@gmail.com.